welcome back to our channel. First of all, Happy New Year, year 2021. And as I promised, I'm back with another new analyzer, and this time I'm gonna install ERBA XL 640. And today, first of all, I will do the unpacking of the analyzer, and later on I will start the installation. And I am on the way. This customer is a little bit far away. It's almost 545 kilometer, and if I'll drive around at the speed of 120 or 130 kilometer per hour, so I'll reach there in 5 hours 30 minutes. So I already covered my halfway. So be with me. I'll join you later on once I'll reach at the customer side. तो guys, ये है वो मशीन जो मुझे इंस्टॉल करनी है. तो अभी मुझे सबसे पहले इसको अनपैक करना है, जो मैं अभी थोड़ी देर में स्टार्ट करने वाला हूँ. तो उसकी भी हम वीडियो बनाते हैं, ठीक है. How to unbox this analyzer, ERBA XL 640. And now I'm going to remove some more stickers. Like here you can see, this is XL 640. So this one I'm going to remove it. Same as for the brand name. And further inside, still there are many things to remove. So let's start. Okay guys, before I'll start the machine, let's check the input voltages. So this is the cable. First, let me check the voltages. So you can see that this is 223. Very good voltages. Okay, next, let me check between the ground and the phase. So this one is also 223. And let me check the ground. So grounding wise, you can see that it is exactly 0. So you can see that all the voltages are very good. So I'm going to start this machine now. Okay, now I will show you how to load the Regen, because this is a closed system and we are going to use this RF. So with each Regen pack, RF tag is here, right? So how we are going to do on the software, let me show you here, scan pack. Once I'll click on scan pack, and then I have to keep this one here. For example, I'm keeping this one here, and I click on scan pack. So you can see that it is showing us all the detail, right? And after that, we will click here, register. So it is saying that XL system pack registered successfully. So this is the way how to load the Regen in this machine. Thank you. Regarding the throughput of this machine, in 1 hour you can perform 640 tests, including ISE. So sodium potassium chloride, electrolyte ISE, which is here, is a separate. You can see it is separately stored here. All machines are not with the ISE. Some are with ISE, some are without ISE. So this model, this one is along with the ISE. So if you talk about the photometric test, so in photometric test you can perform 400 tests in 1 hour in this machine, including the ISE 640 tests. Now about the modules. So in the sample side, in the sample carousel we have outer 25 positions, inner 25 positions, outer 20 and inner 12. So total 82 positions for samples. Same as here we have for the sample side, sample probe side, and this is for the IAC reagent, that's separate. This is CRU unit, cuvette rinsing unit, and here we have 72 cuvettes, washable cuvettes. Let me show you. So these are the cuvettes, and stirrer 1, stirrer 2, we have the reagent, reagent 1, reagent 2, and here we have reagent carousel. In the reagent side we can keep 26. It has 56 positions. So 56 reagents positions are here, and including the R1 and R2. So that's it. Today we will see how to do the calibration, how to run the control, and how to run the patient samples. If you are looking at the background, so the lab is under renovation and this is only for the validation purpose. Later on, we will properly install the machine. Let's start from ISC. So this is purge A. This is used to purge calibrating A solution through the tubing from the Regen module to the IC module. Purge B. This is used to purge calibrant B solution through the tubing from the Regen module to the IC module. This is the calibration for sodium, potassium and chloride. Next option is cleaning. If you want to clean the machine, you will use the IC cleaner. Same as next option is pump calibration. So this option we are going to do it. Next is the bubble calibration maintenance. Okay, so before I'll go further, let me show you the calibration. So how machine is going to do the calibration. So let's start. So this calibration which is for sodium, potassium and chloride, and the value of sodium is from 52 to 64, potassium also from 52 to 64, and chloride from 40 to 55. So we will see that what will be our results. If our results are within this range, then the color will be in green. If it is out, then it will be red in color. So just wait for the results. It won't take a long time. Okay, so let's see it. You can see that it is green color and all are within the range, which means our calibration is passed. Okay, now let's see how to do the calibration. So you have to click on QC calibration. So here select the position in which you are going to run it, and next option is consumables. So I am selecting the water, and next which parameter I am going to do the calibration. So I want to do the calibration of these parameters, so I'm going to select these things. Now let me select the calibrator. So I'm going to select the lipid calibrator for the lipid calibration. So you can see that I have selected lipid cal for HDL and LDL. And now I'm going to select the calibrator for the other parameters. So I'm going to use the multi-calibrator. So click on multi-calibrator. So here I will select the test which I already selected for the calibration purpose. Now I'm going to enter the quality control. So let's start from the normal calibrator. So I am going to select the ERBA now. Now I will select the high level control, which is ERBA path.
Now you can see it is showing that position number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the calibration control. Click on play. So now it is running. You can select any position for the calibrator, control and patient samples. Now patient entry, click on the patient entry, and then here you can enter the patient name, you can write the categories, age, all the information you can enter here. Select the profile which you want to run. Let me select the lipid, so you can see that it is automatically selected. Now how to make a profile. So click on the profile. So here you will enter the profile, for example LFT, and here you can enter the name of the profile like liver function test, and after that we are going to select the parameters. So in LFT I will select few tests as per the laboratory and then save. This is the way how to make the profile. If you want to see the quality control LJ chart, so let me show you how to see it. So click on the select the dates and select the test. If you want to see the graph, so click on show. So this is for the data and this is for the graph. So in this way, if you select this option, you will get only one level each time. You can see low and then I can show you the high. If you click on this option QC graph, so here you will get the both levels together in the same way. So let's select the dates and let me show you the same parameter which I showed you over there. So let me select albumin, I'll click, and you can see that it is showing the both level 1 and 2 together. Now regarding the results, how to see the patient results, click on results and then select the dates from which date to which date you want to see the results. So I want to see for today, so I select all, and after that you can select whatever the results you want. So let me select all, and then on right side you can see different options like normal, column wise, profile wise, geographical wise, and then you can print.
If you like our today's video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And again I'll be back with another analyzer with another model.